This is a 2017 Ram 2500 Laramie. It's got the Cummins turbo diesel and it has been deleted. So I'll do a few little exhaust revs for you. It does roll coal. Sounds really good. It's got the reverse parking sensors. It does have some paint missing here on the fender flare. It's got the WeatherTech floor liners on the front and rear, full coverage. Power adjustable driver and passenger seats. It's got the Laramie embroidered in the back of the seat there. It's got the dual glove box. There's your owner's manual. Back seats look to be in really good condition. See the mats, full coverage. It's got a drop-in rugged liner, plastic bed liner. Back bumper looks good. The tailgate looks good. As far as, you know, gashes, scratches go, I don't notice any or see any. This fender flare, the tape is coming off a little bit. Some new tape though, hold that sucker down. It's hard to tell, but the running boards have a little discoloring as far as the chrome goes, that they're not really chrome anymore. And there's a small little gash on this little fender here, fender flare. And same right there, real small. Front bumper looks good. Headlights look good. Couple little rock chips here and there. Some been touched up, some haven't. Overall though, the outside of this truck is really clean. Looks really good. It's got the AVS visors here up top. There's your power windows locks and side mirrors, power folding side mirrors. The driver's seat has the memory seat package here. Got the automatic headlights. $88,000 miles. Bluetooth. Cruise control. Got your backup camera, nice and clear view. It's got the heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Trailer brake controller. Here's your other quick buttons for the steering wheel and seating. You can turn on and off your parking sensors. Got a 115 volt port there. USB port there. And a 12 volt down here. Got this little cubby hole that you can pull out, a little storage tray. There's your 4-wheel drive with your neutral. Good amount of storage there. There's a coin tray. There's another 12 volt auxiliary and another USB. So lots of different charging ports. Got your built-in garage door opener, power sliding rear glass. I will say this, it appears to have been a former smoker. Not too bad right now. It's not horrible, but I do sense some smoke smell in here. So just so you know, Alpine Premium Audio. But overall, the interior looks really good. I mean, the whole truck, inside and out, is in great shape, especially for the miles. I pointed out some of the small little things on the outside that you saw, but really nothing to nitpick in here as far as stuff goes. Everything looks to be nice and clean. This isn't all wore out. Looks like the leather's nice and intact. The bolsters on the seats are good. Everything looks nice and clean.